Have you ever imagined what living in a luxury gated community in Guanacaste could look like for you? Come check out this beautiful home with me today. Upon walking in the front door, you're greeted with a spectacular view, walls of windows opening up into the Costa Rican valley in front of us here. The owner has cared for every finite detail in this property, hand selecting tons of beautiful local Costa Rican flowers, trees, and fruits to offer you the perfect lifestyle here in paradise. Bosque 62 is one of our newest and most sought after listings here in the Pacifico gated community in Playas del Coco. This home offers 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, over 2,000 square feet of living space, offering and encompassing the perfect Guanacaste lifestyle here for you in paradise. The gardens are what really sets this property apart from everything else on the market right now, offering ginger plants, 12 moringa trees, 1 Guanacaste, sour orange, chacote, dragon fruit, bananas, pineapples, everything you could truly want and desire for your property here in Costa Rica. Pacifico is renowned for its top-tier amenities, offering 4 gorgeous pools, pickleball courts, tennis courts, a private beach club, hiking trails, soccer fields, and plenty of other amenities to offer a great lifestyle here in Guanacaste. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on this amazing home here in Pacifico, please shoot a message to me on WhatsApp or reach out if you have any questions. Thank you so much.